In this lecture, I will not introduce the workshops that I will teach in this course. This course is a continuation of the previous course, which is called Developing Applications with Vision BasicalNet and the Squiver Database in Modern UI. You can find that course in the instructor's profile. The difference between this course and the previous one is this course focuses on developing applications to look even more professional. We won't be covering the basics, since those were already taught in the previous course. This will be more of a hands-on workshop. Now, let's take a quick look. The program will include a login form like this and a form for managing employees. This is the main form. The main form will include the employee page or staff page, an apartment page for managing departments, and an app settings page for configuring the program. There will also be an additional form, which is the form for customizing the theme of our program. Okay, now let's test the program so you can get a clearer picture. I'll press start. When you press start, the program will display the login screen. Here, you can register a new user. You can just click Create a New Account if you don't have an account yet. If I click it, it will take me to the admin page right here. I'm going to test adding a user. Next, there will be a section for login information. Here, at the bottom, I'll set the name as admin. After that, you can choose a picture. I'll go ahead and select this picture. For the department section, you can select the department right here. You can also manage this within the program as well. I'll choose marketing and then click Save here. The program will ask if you want to save, so just click Yes. Now it's all set. Next, we'll take this username, admin1234, and use it to register. Now, enter the username. Then enter the password that the school provided earlier. You can also click here to show the password if you want. Once that's done, click Login to access the program. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll see a form for customizing the program's theme. Like this, you can choose a theme here. By default, it uses the standard color. You can switch to different themes or even a dark theme. Let me show you how to change it. You can change it to many different colors. This is a way to add some color to the program and make it look nicer. This can really add value to our program because it looks much more attractive and user-friendly than the classic traditional Windows forms. Okay, I'm going to use theme number 4, and I'll set it to use multiple themes like this. After that, I'll tell the program not to show this page again, meaning it will just use this setting from now on. Then I'll click Save and confirm right here. The main form will then appear. The starting page will be the employee info page. This section is used to display employee information and manage employee data. I can save an employee's name here in order to edit, delete, or add new entries. Here, we can use the context menu or right-click menu, like this. See? Takes a while, right? If we click the Add New button, it will add a new user, just like when we registered at the beginning. So this is the main page. All right, I'll try editing something as a demonstration. Then just click. You can also change the picture here. So just click Save. All right, that's all done. Now let's look at the next page. The department page is used to manage the department information where employees belong. Here you can add new departments. I've already added some examples here. When you scroll through, it will display the different departments along with the names of the employees in each department like this. Now let's look at the last page, the app settings page. This is where you configure program settings like choosing the theme just like we did earlier. The window from earlier is actually this settings section right here. I'm going to click Close without saving, and it will take us back to the previous page. You can also change the theme here, and you can set up the drawer from this section as well. See that? You can choose to hide it or show it, so you can just save that setting. Okay, so the main difference is that we're using the list view from the material skin instead of data grid view, which makes it look a lot nicer. See here? This part also uses the list view. And this part is still the same, Visual Basic.NET with SQL Server 2019. So, in this workshop, it's all about making our program look more professional. Here's a quick note. Learners should have a background from the previous course, the basic course I mentioned at the beginning, before taking this course. That way, you'll be able to do the workshop much faster. Alright then, I'll be teaching you how to make an app like this from scratch, starting from creating the database, designing the forms, installing various libraries, and so on. So, I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.